When winter hits hard, reliability matters. Today, we're putting the SDLG tractor to work, clearing this commercial parking lot after a heavy snowfall. With several inches of snow covering the surface, it's time to restore safe and clean access for customers and employees. Right away, you can see the power and stability of the SDLG tractor in action. The weight and traction allow it to push through packed snow with ease, making efficient, controlled passes across the lot. We start by opening up the main driving lanes. This ensures immediate access and improves traffic flow. From there, we work section by section, maintaining a steady pace to maximize productivity while keeping the surface as clean as possible. The key to efficient snow removal is consistency, overlapping each path, managing raindrops properly, and pushing snow to designated pile areas to keep the lot organized and safe. Even in cold, demanding conditions, the SDLG tractor delivers dependable performance. Strong hydraulics, responsive controls, and solid visibility make it ideal for commercial snow removal jobs like this. As the final passes wrap up, the difference is clear. What was once a snow-covered parking lot is now clean, accessible, and ready for business. That's the power of the SDLG tractor in winter operations. Efficient, reliable, and built to handle tough conditions. And we're not done yet. Now it's time for the detail work. Cleaning up the tight corners, the entrance lanes, and those tricky spots around the curves. This is where precision really matters. One clean angle on the blade, steady throttle control, and the SDLG moves snow exactly where we want it. Watch how the tractor maintains traction even on the packed sections. No sliding, no wasted movement. Just control, confident, pushing power. We're stacking snow higher now, building up those piles to maximize usable trucking space. The lift height and hydraulic response make it easy to place snow exactly where you need to go. That's efficiency on a commercial level. And check out the difference already. Clean pavement cutting through what used to be a solid sheet of flat. That transformation never gets old. This is why preparation and the right equipment matter. When the storm hits overnight, businesses rely on machines like this to be ready before the first car pulls in. Final pass is coming up, smoothing it out, tightening the edges, and leaving that professional finish. Another long clean. Another winter job handled. That's the SDLG tractor doing what it does best, turning heavy snowfall into clean, safe pavement in record time.